Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and in front of us we have a little 60mm container lock, or a shutter lock as you might know it as, a monoblock brass padlock, and this is the Squire block lock, a 60mm Squire block lock. You can still get the Squire block lock, although this is a vintage version with some yellow lettering. I kind of like it. I got it on eBay for pretty much nothing, and yeah, well, there's no key, which is probably why. Picking it then, let's go bottom of the keyway. Get a bit of tension on there. Going to use my 18,000th Peterson gem because it's a nice medium hook. Gets you into a lot of locks. One of my favourite profiles. Going to the back. Nothing on 5. Click on 4. High set 3. Click on 2. Click on 1. Back to the back. Touch 5 and we are open. Look at that. So yes, this is not a lock which will really put off any picker. All standard pins, very consistent. I picked it 3 times now, I'd say, and each time has been just as fast and just as predictable. Pin 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 5, and open. Brilliant. So yeah, fun little lock, great for a beginner. Other than that, not much to it. Alright, I'll see you all next time.